So I'm going to roll. 1. We're out of Mike and Ike's. Roll again. You might get some.
I can roll for you.
You roll for me? Ooh, what is that on? 5? Okay, that's cheese. Okay. 2. We're out of those though. You ate all those. Okay, so another roll. Say, come on, 6.
Come on, 6.
5, that's the cheese.
Well, that's the cheese.
And polish that off. Whoa! Oh, that was almost disaster.
Goodbye to the cheese.
Yes, I would love to. That's yours.
But you can
Here,
eat that.
nope. We have a 5 left. We have some left. Roll again. 2. We're out of 2. Keep going. Oh, roll again. We're out of 2. Oh, we're out of 1 too. Wow.
What?
What? It's like impossible. What? Luke. 3. That's a pretzel.
Gonna have pretzels.
Okay. 3. That's another pretzel. Another pretzel. Luke, you're amazing. You cannot roll a 6 to save your life. You're landing on 1, 1, 1. Up. Back on the table. We're only going to do it a few more times. 6. Good job. There's your fruit gummies. Oh. Game over?
No, game over.
Game over.
Game over.
Game over. What are we going to call this game, Luke? What do you want to call it?
The eating contest.
Eating contest?
Yeah.
Okay. But how about roll for your dinner?
Yeah.
Roll for your dinner by Luke Davis Christ.